Ìpèsè. Ìpèsè in Yoruba generally means sacrifice or offering. In the Celestial Church of Christ, Ìpèsè refers to a special spiritual sacrifice or offering made to God, usually as instructed through prophecy for thanksgiving or to overcome specific problem. The purpose of Ìpèsè is to seek divine intervention, blessings, or to avert spiritual attacks. It usually involves food items and fruits. Ìpèsè is not for idols, but a symbolic act of obedience and faith in God's power, acknowledging that victory comes from Him alone.